I've routed a channel into the European spruce soundboard, and it's just wide enough for these tiles that I've made. It's about half the depth of the soundboard at this point, maybe 50 to 60 thousandths of an inch. What I've done here is covered the whole channel with some really thin lacquer, and that's to prevent glue from seeping along the grain lines as I start assembling the rosette. I'm going to use super glue to hold it all together, and the super glue has a tendency to just travel along grain lines and make kind of unsightly dark streaks. So the lacquer coating prevents that from happening. So now I will start putting this whole thing together. I'm going to start with the middle section that's not just these alternating blue and yellow checks. And once I get that all put in place, I'll build the checkerboard around it. Here's half of the central section. So these pieces are darker because I've already glued them, so they darken up. They'll get light again when I sand that back. And now I'm going to glue in these pieces, and then I'll start over here. It won't look this dark later on. And I'm only using enough glue to hold these in place right now. Once I have the whole rosette assembled, I'll kind of flood the surface with glue. I don't know if I've shown this before, but this is the drawing that my customer worked out. I think he took a picture of a Cordoba guitar and just started making the artwork around it, however people do that. So what I've got so far is from here, the double blue line, to here. And now I'm going to work on this half of it. Oops. Oh, wait, that's wrong. No, that's right. There and there. 4 down. Boy, these things just bounce out of place so easily. Okay, so that takes me to there. Blue on. And here goes the last of this center section. Now, let the glue dry for a couple of minutes, and then I can start working on the rest of it. really no second chance with this once the glue goes on. Alright, the tiles are as tight together as I can get them. I'm not worried at all up here because the fretboard will cover that. Now, I'll go around and apply quite a bit of glue, especially around the inner and outer edges, because it can seep through. Then after this glue sets, I'll be able to, well, first plane and then sand all of the tiles down. And then there are going to be a series of rings, veneer rings, going around the inner and outer edges. So I'll get those done when I can. There, it's pretty flush with the soundboard surface. So now what I'm going to do is get my router out again and even out these inner and outer black lines and put in some black, yellow, and blue rings going all the way around. So I've got black, yellow, blue, and another yellow, and a black. And those 5 strips of veneer just happen to be the same thickness as my 3/32 diameter cutter. So that's a nice coincidence. Okay, so I'm going to cover the 2 rings I just routed with lacquer, again to reduce bleed out of the super glue, and then I'll get everything glued in. feels pretty smooth. So there it is. Do a little bit of sanding as I build the guitar. Once I get the soundboard braced and glued to the sides, there will have to be some sanding going on, and that'll get rid of this little bit of lacquer that's around the edges. But otherwise, I am done with this rosette. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It was quite a project for me, and it's really just the beginning for the guitar.